2013 Ford F-150 FX4 5.0 Coyote. What we got done on it for you guys. Factory converters there, wise into a single there. Then we ran 2.5 all the way back to give it a really nice deep tone with a MAGNAFLOW, part number 12649. There'll be a link in the description for it. He didn't want it too loud, so we got them all hooked up with this muffler. Give it a nice deep tone, not a lot of raspiness. So as you guys can see, and then we did 2.5-inch tailpipe out the back, custom bent into a 4-inch roll tip to complete the look, because you know it's got a real nice black and white look, so that tip finishes it off really nicely. Like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Is that better? All right. It's not too overbearing, just smooth, you know? Perfect. It's got a MAGNAFLOW system on it. Here's sound decibels. Again. Yeah, it's nice and deep. It came with nothing, went out with something really pretty. All right. Oh, that sounds so good. Nice thing about MAGNAFLOW is when it's an idle, you don't hear it. Let it idle. See, an idle, you guys barely hear it. Ford F-150. Nice. Little beast boat there. Sounds so nice. Enjoy, guys.